Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac, and today we'll be working on the Corvette. There's some binding in the front, so when you hit the brakes hard, it kind of pulls to the right. So we're gonna take off the wheel and see if the brake pads are still seated in the caliper. We'll also check the sway bar, see if there's any play in there. So let's get to it. All right, let's get the wheel off. We're gonna inspect behind the wheel, so the brake has normal play in it, so that's nothing crazy. Back here, nothing's shaking. Oh, that was gross. All right, cool. And then up at the sway bar the bolts are all good and in, but this right here, the spacer, should not have space. So we need to fix that. As you guys know, it takes me 37 seconds to move the wrench around, so I always use the ratcheting ones. Well, my husband got me big long ones since I kept using the tiny stubby ones. I'm pretty excited. All right, let's get to it. We're gonna check to see if this lock nut has the nylon strip still in there, or if it's backing off because it's coming undone, or coming out. So let's just back it off. So if you can see, the nylon strip right here is definitely worn out. We don't have any right now, so we're gonna have to order it. So for now, we're gonna put it back on, make sure to get it tight and make sure that is the problem, and order a new one to replace it with. So look at me, I'm learning. I actually figured this out on my own. So if you look here, there's the bushing metal piece. No bushing, metal piece. So I just got the bushing from the shocks from the Jeep just to make sure that it'll work for now, and then we'll order the part to actually fix it. So let's fix this. I'm so proud of myself. You should be too. All right, let's see. You know what, that's gonna be too tall, isn't it? Well, dang. Guess we'll have to order the other one. But at least now we know what the issue is. Well, it looks a little janky, but my husband leveraged it with a crowbar so that way we could at least get it through. Now we're just gonna tighten it back on. Cool, so that's in. Now that it doesn't move, so that should be the fix. We're gonna drive it, see if that is the fix, and if it is, well, we're still gonna order those parts, but if it is, then we're good for the binding. That's one less thing to worry about. All right, we're gonna get her off the lift and drive her. Drove her, that was the fix. So I love a good easy fix. That being said, we gotta order the parts to be a quick swap out. So before we get to the Jeep, I still have to do an oil change on my truck. So that will probably be next week's video. I haven't done an oil change on the truck yet. So make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next week.